Hi, my name is Nick Sanford from Toss and Fire Wood Fire Pizza, and we're super excited to be at the Great New York State Fair this year. We're going to be doing 5 exclusive fair pies, and we're going to show you our chicken and waffle pizza. So we're opening our dough here. We make every pie fresh. We're going to start with some Belgian waffles here. Now we're not putting any kind of sauce down because we're going to finish this with all the sauce that you need. And we've got some fried chicken here. And then we're going to load it up with some mozzarella. And we're going to cook this bad boy inside the 1,000-degree oven.
Sponsored by Hoffman Sausage Company. Taste tells.